Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, features, special presentations, and fun. There is something synonymous with Jamaica, and that is the pudding. The pone, depending on where in the island you're from. But the Sunday baking that I grew up with included making that cornmeal pudding with the sauce on top or the potato pudding. Now, the potato pudding was a little bit more time consuming because you had to grate it, and boy, you got some strong arms, but it was worth every bit of sweat, every bit of energy that was used to make that sweet potato pudding. And I tell you, I was so excited when I saw a feature being done now by the Jamaica Tourist Board that speaks of this man. I don't even know his name. They didn't even mention his name, but he is the pudding man, and rightfully so. Because as you come over the big stoplights right at Priory, you will come across a little man. Well, I'm not sure if he's little, but a little shop on the left hand side of the road coming up, and it is lined out with I think whatever he uses to make his fire. You know, when we were growing up, it was either the rim from the tire or the coal stove, but whatever it is, baking pudding. And I kid you not, anybody who knows that place, and as he rightfully says, on the way from the airport, the first stop is right there. Guys, I tell you, the pudding sweet and the pudding sell off all the time. I do not think he can ever make enough pudding to not sell them all off. But why should I tell you about this man when he can tell you all about it himself? Jamaica. Food good, I tell you. Salivating. All right, fine, I'm stopping. Take a look.
It's always beautiful in Jamaica. Everything usually be green and pretty. We have beautiful water. Temperature that is normal temperature. The water never cold. We've been into business for about 13 years. JUSC Just cool. It's spelled with 3 0. We make 3 different types of pudding. We make potato, we make cornmeal, and we make total. This is the cornmeal, okay? That's actually almost the last process. What he's gonna do now, he's gonna put a gel on top. Within no time, he has to take it off because the gel give it a nice taste. We have people like Shelly and Fraser came here. We have, you could name the biggest artists, Shabba Ranks, name them all. Being the Man, they all come here and buy their pudding. This is what we grew up on. Now, when the people come to Jamaica, everybody, as soon as they land off the plane, this is where they come. They want to taste this pudding because it brings them back to the old days. The long time days when they was kids growing up and they used to sit on the fire and watch their mama, their grandmother bake the pudding. We try not to change off our roots, we try to keep it that way. And not only that, we have a lot of love because we're all about love.